Hey guys, good morning. It's Ed, Affordable Window Screen on a Sunday. San Fernando Valley, we're going to be doing these screens, this house right here. I'm going to walk up and show you one. Apparently, the owner of this place did these screens. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to go in here. He stapled them on. It's not even a screen frame. It's just a frame, or the screen mesh that he stapled to the window. I have never seen that done before. And that ain't how you do it. So the company that manages this property, I've done a lot of work for these guys, and the guy called me and said, hey man, can you come down and build some screens for me? And yeah, so we're gonna do 14 of them. Pretty straightforward. Just these square frame windows, old school. Hoping I have all the parts I need. It's a little clip that goes at the top that kind of keeps them in place. So we'll be putting those in, and yeah, gonna get after it. Got to take these out, this old piece of screen material out, and then make all new frames. I'm gonna film some of that. When I'm all done, we'll show you how it looks afterwards. All right. Hope you're having a great Sunday. So I got this paint. It's in a pen, and when you have colors that don't match, you can buy these paint pens. This is gloss white, so it'll go with the frame. So I need to put a little stud at the bottom so this window doesn't fall out the bottom. So I'm going to put it in, put the paint on it. It'll blend right in. So I got this neighbor next door. I get this a lot, where these people come out and they just sit there and stare at you. I guess they just want to see what you're doing, but it's a little unnerving. The guy's on his own private property. I guess he can sit there and stare all he wants. What I can do about it? One of the things I like to do too is, so I think there might be another screen this exact same size somewhere else in the house. I'm going to walk around and look. But the last thing you want to do is get this whole totally installed and then find out, oh, I've got another screen that's the same size. So once you know that, then you can just copy this screen and just clone it, and not have to go through all that work of measuring, getting it right and everything. So when I get the screen all in, I'm going to make sure it fits there. Then I'm going to walk around the house. And if there's another one like it, guess what, folks? I will be copying it. This is all about efficiency, and if you want to make money doing the screen world, efficiency is king. I'm telling you, if you try to reinvent every screen, it just takes a ton of time. You know, in the 60s or whatever, 70s, they called kind of nerdy people square. In screen business, square is a beautiful thing. All right, let's go see if this fits. Then we're going to take a walk back around the property and see if there's another one like it. You probably won't be able to tell too well, but you'll be able to see me taking out all these staples. You can probably see them up there. They're everywhere, right where I need to put the frame. Some of them I can just take out with a needle nose. Some of them require a little help with the old screwdriver. We have to put this small clip, I don't know if you can see it, and then the frame goes in here and holds the top in. Get it in the center. Pilot hole here. go. All right, we're just taking a quick tour around here. There's the front 2 windows that we did. Those were all stapled on when I got here. I mean, literally the guy took a staple gun, cut out some screen mesh, and just stapled it to the wood. And he owns the house. Can you imagine? And he's renting it. And it's a super cute house. I really like it. It does need a little paint, it looks like, and the eaves are a little bit shaky, but that's not stuff you can't fix. There's one, all finished. Go over here on the sunny side of things. You can see we've done 1, 2, 3 there. I think there was 14 altogether. I got to pick up some of this trash I left here. There's the other guy. Not sure if this gate goes through. Oh, no, it's locked. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, if you need your screens done, even if they were stapled on, that's something we can get rid of. And guess what, folks? We can go ahead and make new ones for you. All new screens. We can rescreen. We can put doors on. What do you need? You want to keep the bugs out, let the fresh air in? Give us a call, 805-444-4795. If you like listening to country music, we do that when we do screens. Hey, we give golf tips too. If you need that, call me. I can tell you a few tips about that. What else do you want to know? I guess that's it for this edition. Why don't you check out our website, affordablewindowscreen.com, and our reviews are on there, on all the websites, and on my personal website. You can read about us. And I just got a review from a 7-year-old kid, which I didn't bring with me. I'm going to show you. It was a written review that he handed to me. That'll be on the next episode. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Window Screen Adventures out.